Hello everyone, hope all is well. In this tutorial I will show you how can you take your WordPress website's backup manually through your cPanel or hosting panel. So to take backup of your website, at first you need to log into your cPanel, and here as you see that I have already logged into my cPanel, and here I will go to file manager first. So I am double clicking here, and here I will go to public underscore HTML. I am double clicking here, and we will select files here to zip. At first we will select couple of files that is necessary for the backup as a zip file, and we will download it. So we are selecting WP content folder, after that .htaccess file, and last one is wp-config.php file. So we need this folder, wp content folder, .htaccess file, and wp-config.php. These three file and folders we will zip first. So we have to right click here and we'll click on compress, and here we will select zip archive, and here we will give a name of this backup file. So I will provide you a name that is backup, and giving today's date, that is 7 April 2024, and press compress files. It will take some time to zip all the files and folders, so we have to wait till the end of this process. You see that it has been completed. Now click on close, and here you will see that the backup zip file has been created. So what we will do is we will download it to our local PC. So right click on that and click on download. So it will have started downloading in our local PC. It will take some time. So as you see that there is two part of this tutorial. First one, we have to take backup of our WordPress files, all necessary WordPress files, and in second part we have to take backup of our database file. So to take database, we have to go to database. So here we will go to phpMyAdmin. So if we scroll down here, under the database section there is phpMyAdmin. So before going to here, we have to know that which database we have to download. So if we come here and go to wp-config.php file and click on edit, and from here we will see which database do I need to download. So wait a moment, click on edit. It's taking some time, and if we scroll down a little bit you will see that this is my database. So I'm copying this and closing this, and here we will go to phpMyAdmin and we'll search the database. So at the same time the files are downloading and it will take a lot of time, I think. So we have to wait till end of this process, and here database is opening. so we have to wait for a moment. Okay, the PHP my admin is opened now. So if we press Ctrl and F together, okay, as you see that here we will press Ctrl V to paste the database name. As you see that this is highlighted, so this is our database. So we have to go to this database. I'm clicking on that and it will have opened. It is opened. What I need to do is you have to select all the tables. You have to scroll down and click on check all, so all tables are checked successfully. So here we will click on this box and click on export. So we have to export this database to our local PC. So here we will select SQL, so there is no other option to be selected, so you have to select SQL and we'll press the export button. Soon it will have started to download the database. The database is downloading, so it will take some time. When the download will be completed, we have to keep these two files in a safe place. If you face any problem with your website, you can easily restore this file. Your websites will be back. So I hope this tutorial will help you. Thank you.